Today we'll discuss Act 3, Scene 3, and this is the beginning of the new scene. Act 3, Scene 3 is very short in size. It's extremely short in size, but one thing we have to remember, even being short, Act 3, Scene 3 does have a great dramatic importance. What's the dramatic importance this Act 3, Scene 3 has? We are going to find Shylock and Antonio together after a long time. They were together last in Act 1, Scene 3, and now they are together again in Act 3, Scene 3. So after a long time they are going to be together. And Shylock is very stiff and stubborn at his decision of taking the flesh of Antonio. Whether Antonio, whom we think as a static character who does not undergo any change, is going to suffer a huge change here. He is going to request in front of Shylock. And Shylock wanted this situation only. To a certain extent, Shylock is successful. He has fed him the ancient grudge he bears him. So ancient anger, long drawn anger, enmity that he has, now this is successful for Shylock. Now, what else we are going to find here? We are going to find here that Antonio, even being a rich merchant, could not return the money. The destruction of his ships leads to his misfortune. What type of misfortune here? We are going to find a specific thing here that the bond is expired, and furthermore Shylock was not ready to take any amount of money or any commodity to release Antonio. In Act 3, Scene 2, we have Salerio, here we have Salenio, and he also further curses Shylock for his stubborn behavior. We have got another character here, that is Gowler, that means the jailer. What we are going to see here, that the Gowler has taken Antonio out. The jailer has taken, Antonio is in jail. The jailer has taken him out so that he can meet Shylock and request him. Shylock was very angry at this very action. He did not want Antonio to come out. So first he scolded the Gowler or the jailer for taking him out. Furthermore, he made Gowler understand that this is the fool who used to smug upon the mart. That means this is Antonio who used to be very, very confident and smart while coming to the market. Now he should look at his bond. That was the only chanting or the repetition of the term, repeating the same term, chanting the same term, let him look at his bond. So this is very significant here, that Shylock is not at all ready to leave Antonio at any cost. Now Antonio is at the mercy of Shylock. This is called reversal of fortune, or the change in fortune. That Antonio, who had been so smart, so gentleman, so a great person, now is in such problem. So Act 3, Scene 3 is of great importance, though short, but of great dramatic value. We can leave a single line, an entire topic, entire scene, including all the speeches of the characters, are very, very vital here. Furthermore, I will discuss few more plot related items and the characteristics here in this particular video. Do go through this one. Thank you. As I told you that Act 3, Scene 3 is marked for the striking speeches as well as the confident as well as bold outlook of Shylock. Further, the pathetic condition of Antonio. So it's a total reversal of fortune for Antonio. As you can see, in this part we have a particular character, Growler, that means he's a jailer, and we have Shylock here. And if you move further, what will you find here? Except of Antonio and Shylock, we have Salerino. Now, Shylock had only one statement, that I will have my bond. So he did not want to make any other thing, any other statement, any other kind of conversation or any kind of argument.
than taking his bond. Even in the previous speech also he spoke, I will have my bond. Now if you proceed further, what will you find? We have Salerno in this scene and we have Antonio's description of the punishment and the reason behind his silence. He was entirely silent against the very statement, and he was telling that at any cost he can go against the court or the judgment. So here you can see Antonio's respect towards the Venetian law and judiciary. So this scene is going to be an interesting one and obviously an important one. Though small in size, it will surely link the major scene, that is Act 4 Scene 1, that is the most important scene in the drama, with the previous scenes. So we will read this scene as a link as well as reversal of fortune for different characters, and we'll see Psylocke's attitude as well as Antonio's plight for this very bond of 3000 ducats.